from the vision board side, I want to send a gift also. That's why I asked Danya, arrange this call actually. So motivate them. Soumya, how are you?
Yeah, hi Devi, how are you?
Yeah, I am good, Soumya. So, your success stories also we recently see. Team, give a big congratulations to Soumya also. She achieved actually a very good thing. Soumya, let me need your like the true story to the people.
Yeah, first of all, thank you, Devi.
Thanks,
Actually,
Soumya.
yeah, like initial my background is like I'm from Informatica Power Center. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
I don't have a like zero knowledge on Azure. So
Okay.
initially, like when I was searching the jobs during like January, I guess. So that
Uh-huh.
time I didn't get much calls on Informatica. So
Yes,
that
that
time
is an
only I
old
tried.
technology, right?
Yes,
That is an
all
old
the technology.
technology.
Yes. Yeah, then only I got to know about you in Instagram. So
Okay.
yeah, then I have attended your webinar and then I joined our team batch 10. So
Mm-hmm.
yeah, that decision has completely changed me actually.
Okay.
So yeah,
Thanks
like
for that.
yeah, my journey is like I'm a mom of two kids. Okay, so
Mm.
when I joined a vision board, I am having a 1 3 year kid and one 7 month kid.
Mm.
So initially, I didn't get much time to like work on the things like the thing you have teaching us, right? So that I couldn't get much time on that.
Mm-hmm.
So then, yeah, I like consistently prepared and dedicated a time 2 to 3 hours daily basis,
Oh,
morning and
even the
evening.
kids also. What time, Soumya? You
Yes,
need to give some suggestion to these people. These people are
yeah,
telling me continuously, Devi, I don't have time. Okay,
yes, yes.
so I need your like an answers also how to do this one.
Yeah, yeah. In my case, I have support from my in-laws and my husband as well. So
Okay,
morning I will woke up at 6 a.m. 6 to
okay,
7 I will prepare, and
uh-huh.
after my work, right, 8 a.m. it will complete, and after that I will prepare 2 hours, 9 to
Oh,
11.
okay.
So yeah, during this 5 months, I have taken this much time, and yeah, initially I like struggled to attend the interviews. Like
Hmm.
I feared to attend the first interview.
Hmm.
The one thing I want to know, like say you right, I failed in first two interviews. Okay,
Yes, yes.
yeah, like I didn't answer well. So most
Okay.
of the questions I didn't answer. Just I told them I am not aware about that. So like that I have just managed that one. And
Mm-hmm.
after two interviews only, I got to know like what they are asking. So that
Mm-hmm.
things and all I got to know. And the
Mm-hmm.
roadmap you have given, right? So that really helped. And also the mock interview sessions as well. Yeah, it really helped, Devi.
That time we took the mock interviews, right?
Yes,
So, but
yes.
Soumya, like and with the two kids, you put a lot of effort. I know. So that is the reason now you can able to sit in this kind of a place also. Team,
Yeah.
I need a big congratulation. So if you are making excuse, many of the people are telling about Soumya, people are making excuses. They don't have time, too many assignments. So you can understand a lady managing household work with the two kids is not an easy thing. Okay, I
Yeah.
would say, like, and even I also have a small baby. It will be very, even a one baby I cannot able to manage. So then two baby. So me, like, and you are a super mom, I would say.
Thanks, Devi.
Super mom. So the power that is the one you need. And how much percentage you got, Soumya?
First offer, I got 90 percentage Devi. So I
Okay.
have a 2 months notice period. So I'll be
Uh-huh.
attending. Daily, I'm receiving 2 to 3 calls.
2 to 3. It will be increased. Like, and it will be
Yes.
increased actually when the notice period will be shortening. We need to getting a 200 percentage. Okay. So
Yeah.
negotiation tip, everything. I will be connect you personally soon. So we need to be
Okay.
discussed and in negotiation we need to. That is a, one of the best gift you can give to your child actually.
Yes,
Right?
Devi.
So your life things, everything will be changing. And years of experience also. Soumya, people are asking actually years of experience.
Yeah, I have 5.8 years of experience. Okay.
Yes.
So I have mentioned 3.5 in Azure.
Mhm. This is enough actually, team. Everyone is
Mm.
doing the same thing. IT industry doing the same thing only, upskilling. So transition. So that is not an issue. You can see the people are mentioned here also. So this is the
Yeah.
way
The one
actually.
thing, team, actually, if I can do it and you can also do it, just prepare it.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes. If she can do it, obviously. If you're making an excuses, if I'm seeing excuses, no more validity there because Soumya, and many other people are already proved this thing. Right, team? I need your answers. Right? If you're making excuses, that is you are scrolling on the social media and all. That time Soumya put like an effort to building the career. I think Soumya Baston, you in, right?
Yes,
Baston.
batch.
Baston means like, and it will be starting in the February. So you can understand,
February.
4 months, 4+ months, it will be cracking the offer letter. So this is the real success story. Soumya, like, what is the best thing, like, and when you coming into the vision board side, right? Which what feel actually like an a LinkedIn optimization or sessions where you actually thinking about this is one of the thing I did in my life is good.
Yeah, the first thing is I got a clear roadmap, Devi. So where
Yes,
to start and what and all things we need to focus. So that I got it from Vision board. And the next thing is the mock interview session. It was really helpful.
good, right? Okay, okay,
Yeah.
sure, Soumya. Soumya, like, and we need to getting like a more offer letter soon.
Yes,
So I
Devi.
think in the coming session, maybe you need to be take some sessions also these people. Like, and
Yeah,
when you
sure.
whatever the interview questions also, then I will add it to the mentors list also. Okay. Then what will happen?
Okay.
You already cracked. When you sharing the
Mm.
knowledge, what will happen? This people will be like, and this will kind of a universe will be given more opportunity to you. You are trying to help
Yes.
others.
Yes, yeah. Sure,
Sure.
Devi.
Thanks, Soumya. So we will be
Thanks,
sending
Devi.
a gift soon for you and your small babies also. Okay?
Okay. Thank you,
Okay, so you
Devi.
just share with that one. So convey my wishes also to them.
Okay, sure. Thank
Thanks,
you, Devi.
Soumya.
Thank you,
Thank you.
team.
Bye.